Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer and withdraw your funds on Crybex. First, click on the user icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and go to Referrals. Here you'll see two buttons, Withdrawal and Transfer. If you want to send funds to an external wallet, click Withdraw. If you want to move funds within your Crybex account, click Transfer. Let's start with Withdraw. Click the button and you'll see all the available networks. Choose your network. I'm using TRX. Next, paste your wallet address where you want the funds to go. Then enter the amount. I'm entering 100 USDT. You can also select a percentage of your balance to withdraw, and your available balance is shown here. Now, enter your 2FA code and click Withdraw USDT. You'll see a withdrawal submitted successfully message. The funds will not go to your Crybex wallet. They'll go directly to the wallet address you provided. You can check your withdrawal history to track the status. Withdrawals usually take 3 hours minimum and up to 6 hours maximum. Once completed, the status will show as complete. Now let's do an internal transfer. I have 2.88 USDT remaining in my account. Click Transfer, then confirm with OK. You'll see the amount disappear from your commission wallet and appear in your main wallet. So guys, this is how you can withdraw commissions to an external wallet. Transfer funds internally within Crybex. It's that simple.